Hello, merhabalar, hoş geldiniz. This is Baki. I am the one of the co-founder of the Clave. We are a Turkey-based team, so it's super exciting for us to have you all here throughout the week. I hope that you enjoyed Dev Connect, you enjoyed Istanbul. Um, Clave is a new team. Maybe you heard about it. We are just a 5 to 6 months old startup, and in the last 3 months, we just built our MVP and released the testnet version during the Dev Connect. And today, I will not talk about much in detail about the technicality because the audience is very well educated about the account abstraction and all technical stuff, but I would like to tell more about how we are approaching the UX problem, how we are approaching the how to reach the normies in Turkey, in globally, in the developing countries, how we can solve their problems. So first of all, we have some challenging ideas about the current solutions of the UX problems. What I mean is, actually, I just want to share a story that I heard from Ulash, one of the other co-founder of the Clave, yesterday, so that we can clearly understand how big is the problem. So they held an event, I guess, last year or before that, and a man came up and claimed that he has the seed phrases, but he cannot log in his wallet. So it should be impossible, right? So they tried to help him. But the funny thing is, after he got their seed phrases, he's a Turkish man, by the way, he put the seed phrases into the Google Translate and translated into the Turkish. And Google Translate messed up, converted it into some sort of Turkish sentence without separately translating the words. So it's all gone. He doesn't know what to do because he doesn't have prior knowledge about seed phrases. And since he's using all of the sites translating in Turkish, he thought that it's normal. So we have so many problems to solve, and we see that solving the registration problem or creating account problem with one click is the perfect solution for the UX. We kind of argue about that because we are offering so many power to user, so it should be sufficiently easy to onboard. While sufficiently easy to onboard, we should take burden of the private keys, etc. But we should also educate users, also give information about how they can recover their account, how they can add guardians, social recovery, etc. And while we are doing that, we should definitely use the same patterns in Web2 world, in the fintech world, in the banking application, because that's all these people know so far. I know that their behavior, their habits is going to change, but for the current state, they are not aware of anything about the Web3. So also, it should be affordable. So it doesn't mean to provide what we are currently providing on ZK Sync to on Ethereum because it's too expensive, no one can use it. So it should be affordable and it should has utility. And I know that there are lots of wallet projects and we are all aiming different personas. I was going to put some personas here, but we all like this meme. And we all agree that the left and right guy are the enjoyers of the blockchain. They are degens, they know stuff, they have burner wallets, they connected hundreds of forked EVMs, hundreds of forked AMMs, trading, getting money, etc. But the middle guy is always too cautious, doesn't know how to use new wallets, how to connect, doesn't connect his wallet to unsafe website, etc. But I'm sure that everyone in here, every project in DevConnect aims Turkish market, right? There are 10 million crypto users in Turkey. Do you have any estimate that what percentage of this 10 million is the left and right guy? I don't know, I didn't count. Yeah, probably 1 to 5. Because we are in the crypto ecosystem in Turkey, very active, very engaging the community. We know how they are approaching the custodial solutions and non-custodial solutions, and they probably don't know what these terms means. They are using JAXs to trade, and some of them are just airdrop farming, etc. So we believe that we should solve the problems of the middleman, because they all just want to use the magics of the blockchain for payments, for easy access, for self-custody, for different reasons, to avoid from inflation, so that aiming the middleman is different than the left and right guy. But the good part is, even we are going to aim the middleman, left and right guy has also needs secure wallets for their wealth. They are not risking their money on the some burner wallets, etc. Maybe left guy did that, I don't know, but probably the right guy not. So our approach is here. We should, in order to provide familiar interfaces, familiar UX, we need programmability. We need 100% non-custodial solutions, even if it takes the registration a little bit longer. It doesn't matter. While I creating account on Revolut, it takes 10 minutes, but I don't care. I know that it will worth it. When I create an account on Deutsche Bank, it took 1 month. They sent me 3 to 4 letters about the pins, etc. It was awful, of course, but people used to this. So the magic is not one-click registration. The magic is provide everything in a bundle. So the first step is, what we are applying is we are using Secure Enclave to get rid of the seed phrases and providing this with 100% non-custodial solutions. For those who heard Secure Enclave the first time, I'm not going into details, but it's an isolated chip in mobile devices designed to protect passwords. And we can use this module to secure private keys or other passwords, just like Apple did and other Web2 application did. And the only way to access this is your biometric authentication. So that actually the account creation is one step, but onboarding is more than one step. Because what if you lose your phone? It's super non-custodial, it's super easy, but there's a risk that you can lose your phone and you can't access your account. So we are bringing the programmability here with cloud recovery and social recovery. Cloud recovery is simple. We are creating another EOA, encrypt with password, and the only purpose of this EOA is to rescue your account in case you need. And you have also always cancel the recovery in case your iCloud hacked, etc. And we have social recovery, aka guardians. I will be perfectly honest, normies doesn't have a clue about the guardians and social recovery, but I believe that this is a good feature and we have implemented, but we need to tell them how to use it. Or maybe we need to convert this into some language, some form that they are, I don't know, familiar with. It's not easy. We are constantly talking about how to provide the social recovery. Should be any guardian rescue the account, or I don't know, 3 of 5 is enough, some waiting is cool. Yeah, everything is cool, but they are not no guardians, so adding a weight to guardians, adding some multi-sig approach to guardians is very, very unknown thing to them. So maybe first step should be the one guardian solves the problem, and you can add bunch of course, but then you can customize it, you can offer solution to advanced user. Also for the programmability, we are using account abstraction in full force for recovery, paymasters, page transactions, sponsored transaction. And since we are talking about the similarity in the Web2, I believe that paymasters and sponsored transaction will bring lots of stuff in the space. So we can provide some subscription methods so that people doesn't care about what's the gas fee, what I am paying right now. I just paying, I don't know, 5 months a month. It's a very common practice. Even I have subscription in Revolut. So I'm getting rid of everything by doing so. So we can do this with account abstraction. Also, I didn't mention here, but during the Abstract Istanbul, we showcase how we can use session keys while we don't have any extension. So you can connect to any dApp, give some allowance, define some periods, and that's it. You approve from your phone, then other things will be approved automatically. I also have some arguable opinion about the browser extension and would love to discuss after the talk with you what you are thinking about. Do you think that normies are going to use the extensions? But it's in the current state, I believe that it's necessary. I have videos here, but I'm not sure if they are going to work. And I just want to showcase that even if request and send is super simple features, it's important to provide these features like 100% perfect UX. So we have organized ZK Bazaar yesterday, and we bought a bunch of stuff from the Grand Bazaar and put them in a room so people just shopped with Clave accounts. And what they did is there were some QR codes, so they just scanned it, Clave prepared all transactions, they all just swiped it. So I saw that even the staff from the hotel downloaded Clave, created the account just like I tell you in the prior slides, and used these features because they told me that we didn't understand that we are using blockchain, other than we warned them, please add backup, etc., etc. So it was a good implementation. Let's try if it is work. Yeah. For now, this is a payment QR. The amount and nickname is embedded. It uses deep link, open the Clave, and prepare the transaction for Ulash. All I need to do is swipe, and gas fee is paid by the Clave. It's a sponsored transaction. User doesn't know if it is on the blockchain because they didn't even pay the gas fee. And for the other one, you can also send link just like in the Revolut. User can click it, same process. It's opened automatically. Transaction will be ready. And all we need to swipe it. And here we are using USDC as a gas fee. So as I said, you might argue that with all of this technicality, all of secure enclave account abstraction talk, why are you showing us this? Because as far as I know, there are maybe no wallets or very limited number of wallets can provide this now. It's super easy. I don't know why people are not doing this, because this is how people are managing their payment in the fintech sector right now. So that's actually our vision to apply other features as well. To next steps, actually we will be on the mainnet, on the ZK Sync, and the aim will be always abstracting everything. I don't know how we are going to do that now, but we want to abstract blockchains, we want to abstract maybe tokens so that we can provide 100% Web2 EX for now, and just try to bring normies here, then educate them about other features, self-custody, etc. Then we will wait for them to change their habits, get adapted to blockchain space, and we are going to provide lots of features to them as well. So if you want to try Clave, you can just scan the QR, but you need an access code. Please find me or Ulash here. We can provide you. And when you create your account, we are going to airdrop some ZK1 token, and you can buy 2 coffee just in front of the venue in the open area, and you can enjoy your coffee with sponsored transactions. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, I am happy to answer it, or we can discuss after the talk.